Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to start your live stream on your Telegram channel using @ViewsByFollowersBot. And trust me, it's super easy. Go live like a pro. With @ViewsByFollowersBot, you get 20 plus real-time audience for your live sessions, instant boost in engagement and reach. Make every stream a hit and grow your channel naturally. So let's get started. Step 1. Add your channel in Views by FollowersBot. Open Telegram and search for @ViewsByFollowersBot. Tap Start to begin. Tap on Live Stream. Click on Add Channel. Select your channel. Set your preferred configuration. Tap on Order Now. Choose your random live range. Select Delay Time. Tap Done. And then click Yes to confirm. And that's it! Your channel is now successfully added. Step 2. Start your live stream. Go to your channel. Tap on your channel name. Tap on Live Stream. Click on Start Live Stream. And boom! You're live! Explore live stream options. As you can see, people will start joining your live stream in real time. You can unmute your mic, turn on your camera, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner to access more features. Noise cancellation, edit your live stream title, share your screen, share the invite link of your live stream, start recording your live stream. When you're done, simply tap End Live Stream, then tap End again to confirm. And that's it! That's how you can start and end your live stream with @ViewsByFollowersBot. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.